Welcome to Planter Garden. Okra is such an amazing plant. It's also healthy, you know, very healthy. So guys, just take some okra seeds, set a few in your backyard, plant them out and allow them to grow. And it's one thing with okra, you don't have to take too much, give them too much of care. Once you get them growing, that's it. You see like this, there's nothing I need to do to this okra. Not even this one and this one. Once they start growing, you ain't have to do basically anything to them, most only clear the roots. So it's very important, guys, very healthy. Plant some okra. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.